Hi, my Pisceans. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. Hope you all are doing good and are safe and staying indoors during this quarantine period. So, Pisceans, today we are going to do your reading for the month of May. Like I always say, since this is a collective reading, it will not resonate with everyone. So, take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. Also, do let me know what do you think about the reading through the comments. You can leave comments in the comment box. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay, Pisces, so without getting without wasting much time, let's get started with your reading. This time I am doing 3 card spread for you, and I have already shuffled the cards for you and laid the cards for you. So the 3 cards indicate your past, like your immediate past, present and your immediate future energies. So Pisces, in your immediate past I can see the 5 of Pentacles energy. So this basically indicates that in your recent past you were feeling like you were left into the cold. It might be at your workplace. Most probably this looks like at the workplace, but it can be at personal level also. You had the kind of energy where someone actually let you down, and you were like kind of literally heartbroken, and the behavior was not expected from that person, and you actually felt like left out in the cold. But let me just quickly pull a clarifier for this energy, guys. Why 5 of Pentacles? Why 5 of Pentacles? 5 of Pentacles. Dear Spirit guides, why 5 of Pentacles for my Pisces? Why 5 of Pentacles for my Pisces? Why 5 of Pentacles for my Pisces? Dear Spirit guides, guardian angels, why 5 of Pentacles for my Pisces? Why 5 of Pentacles for my Pisces? Guardian angels, please let me know why 5 of Pentacles energy for the Pisces. Why the 5 of Pentacles energy for the Pisces? Why 5 of Pentacles energy for the Pisces? Your spirit guides, guardian angels, please let me know why the 5 of Yeah, so basically there are 2 cards that have come out, Pisceans. The Knight of Swords and 4 of Cups. So what I feel is that you were expecting something from someone in the past, some kind of maybe related to work or at personal level, but the energy, the person that you were dealing with was kind of showing and a very very unreliable sort of behavior, very in and out kind of an energy. This is a Knight of Swords energy, and the person was not being rational. The person was not behaving rational. He was not being quite upfront and truth with the facts as well, and this kind of left you feeling a little like kind of let down, and this has made you this was making you really sad, and you were feeling quite stuck because of this. You were in the energy of not knowing how to proceed with this. You were really feeling stuck because of this unexpected behavior of this knight, of this person, of this in and out, like that person would say something and would do something. That kind of energy is what I'm getting. He was not he or she, whoever it was not kind of sticking to their words or not acting upon their words, and this left you quite disappointed and disheartened, and you were feeling quite stuck and low because of this behavior. In the present energy, you have the Three of Wands, which means that I think you guys have moved from this Five of Pentacles energy. You have progressed. You have done the kind of work that you need to do yourself. Whatever repercussions this Five of Pentacles had got, or this Knight had got in your life, in terms of work, or even in terms of personal commitments, you have done your side of work, and now you are waiting for your ships to sail in. So like if you see, you are actually in this waiting phase now. You have done the needful, what we would say, you have done the needful, and now you are waiting for the outcome, or your ships to sail in. Also I feel people, there is a lot of threes in your energy. Like I could see three of Wands here, Three of Pentacles here, and Three of Cups here, because your overall energy was Two of Cups followed by Three of Cups. We will talk about it in some time, but there is a lot of three. So I think some of you are working in threes. Like there might be team of three people. There might be three people who are interacting over something, maybe personally or professionally. There might be third party situation in personal life, which has led to this Five of Pentacles energy as well. Like if this has got to do with if this has got something to do with personal relationships, then it can be a third party situation which has led to this disappointment and sadness, Pisces. So definitely 3 number is playing a lot of role in your energy. Also this means that you are doing a teamwork, like you are working as a team. This also means that even if you are feeling sad, guys, don't worry, the universe has your back. Just keep on doing your focused work, just keep on concentrating on your goals, and the rest will be taken care of universe. Just stay focused and do the needful, like get into the required synergies with your fellow teammates, and just keep on working, and you will definitely get the required results. So like I said, Pisces, there are the overall energy, or the bottom of the deck was Two of Cups followed by Three of Cups. So what I feel is, for this group of people who were kind of left in cold, who were like a little disappointment, who were little disappointed, for these people there might be an apology coming your way, or there might be someone giving, they might feel really sorry, and they might come and apologize to you and offer their cup and apologies to you, and it might lead to reconciliation, because there is this universe offering you a cup here as well, which you were not focused on before. So probably, or this might be a completely new person. This might be a completely new person or a new partnership, which can lead to celebrations and happier times. Probably earlier you were not focused on the new beginnings that the universe was trying to offer you, but now the beginnings are here. Someone is going to come up with new proposal, new partnership in terms of relationship or in terms of work, and that is going to lead to lot of happy moments, a lot of celebrations over here. Let me pull the oracle card messages for you people. Let's see what message we have for you for the month of May. This spirit guides, guardian angels, please. Okay, I immediately got one card, which is emotions are running high. So Pisceans, no wonder we have got this card, because like I said, you were going through some emotional phase. You were feeling kind of left out in the cold, and you were feeling a little sad and stagnant, and a little low on emotions. and probably that is the reason why we have got this message. Emotions are running high. So let us see what the card has to tell you. Let's see the detailed meaning of this card. Yeah, so the card says, this card suggests that the answer to whatever you are asking is writ large like the silvery full moon set against the velvety night sky. If you are wondering how successful something is going to be, such as a job or a relationship, the answer is very. Oh wow, okay. So whoever it is that is waiting right now, for like if you have done your work in terms of your relationship and or career, and you're waiting and wondering like what the outcome would be, then know that the outcome would be very positive, is what I think is being conveyed to you. To use common parlance, the answer to your question may well be that it's under your nose. Also guys, no wonder that you're having this Three of Cups energy in the as your overall energy for me, which means that there are some good news coming up, there are some celebrations in the pipeline, so don't worry guys. This card is about being larger than life, being special and bursting with energy that you can tune into and work with. You can expect plenty of good things and a positive outcome when this card comes up, but you may find there's a lot of emotion to deal with too. There's a sense that the opportunities around whatever you are asking about don't come along every day, so take action. Attuned to the moon, success is close, I just must trust. Additional meanings for this card are, resolution to your question is closer than you may think. Don't ignore the obvious. Something exciting lies ahead. Make sure you don't blow events out of proportion. Speak to the goddess. Ask for her assistance. The teaching of this card is, a supermoon is a new or full moon that takes place when the moon is at its closest point to earth during its monthly orbit at an event known as perigee. If it's a full moon, the moon appears around 14% bigger at this time. The moon is known as the queen of emotions, and if you draw the supermoon card, regardless of when you do this, you can expect your feelings to be more highly charged. Okay, so in short, it looks like quite an emotional period for the Pisceans, but don't worry people, don't worry guys. Whatever it is going to pass, and it is going to lead to better and good outcomes. It is going to lead to an event that will call for celebration. So don't worry, stay in this, hang in there. Let me quickly pull messages for you from this deck as well. It's Mermaids and Dolphins deck. Dear Spirit Guides, Guardian Angels, what is the message that I need to pass on to my Pisceans? What is the message that I need to pass on to my Pisceans for the month of May? What is the message that I need to pass on to my Pisceans for the month of May? What is the message that I need to pass on to my Pisceans for the month of May? What is the message that I need to pass on to my Pisceans for the month of May? Oh. There are too many cards that have jumped out. Let me just quickly put them back. And the Spirit Guides, okay, I'll take this card because it just flipped over. It is saying blessed change. Can you see this? It's saying blessed change. A major life change brings you great blessings. Okay, that's a good news, Pisceans. Let's see what it has to tell you. It says, although you may feel as if your life is upside down right now, everything that's occurring is for the best. Yeah, so those who are staying in this Four of Cups energy, like, where did it go? Yeah, these people who are feeling stuck and you're feeling very emotional and who are not ready to see this. So please have a look at this also, that there is something better for you in store, So let go of what is making you upset and be ready to receive whatever is coming your way, and it's very, very positive. This card assures you that the changes in your life are actually helping you leave behind that which no longer serves you. Yeah, exactly what I said just now. Your spiritual purpose with the old situations is now complete. Your urge to stay centered in grace and acceptance. Keep affirming, I welcome divinely inspired change and I stay centered in the eye of the hurricane as change occurs around and within me. All change is for my highest good. I know that love is stable and always provides for me and my loved ones, no matter what our situations appear to be. Change ushers in fresh opportunities to learn, grow, prosper, and create new relationships. The key is to keep breathing and enjoy the changes even if they are intimidating. If the universe pushes you towards new responsibilities, know that you are qualified in heaven's eyes. Wow, it's a very good message, and one that definitely goes hand in hand with whatever is happening with you currently. So whatever is that has left you a little sad and a little upset, be assured guys that there are new things coming. Even if you're feeling stuck right now, even if you are in the waiting phase right now, be it in terms of career or in terms of relationship, just be assured that good things are coming. A good offer is coming your way, something better and something new and something much nice. I mean, much better than your previous stints, whatever in terms of relationship or career is in your way, which is going to call for good celebrations. So that is a good energy guys. Even if the things may look a little shaky and dicey and emotional right now, look forward for the positive things that are coming your way. So I will leave it at that, Pisceans. I hope you like the reading. Like I said, please do not forget to share, subscribe, like the reading, and do hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new reading. Also, do not forget to leave your comments, leave your thoughts in the comment box. So see you soon, Pisceans. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye.